Bye baby. Bwati we yalabise mukyala Lwanga. Twamunjaguza dde emyaka nkaaga bweddu. Ababaddewo mu kisenge bwe bakikoze. Kaakati naye nga babadde tannaba kusiibula bagenyi. Bye. Yasooseko kugerako gye bali. N'abeebaza mu ngeri enjawulo kati kansooke tuwulire ebikyagenze.
Family person, somebody I'm proud of. More than that, she's the second battle. So, ladies and gentlemen, it has joined the day. Let's have fun. Thank you all.
Thank you, Professor Joseph. All right, I'm going to be waiting. You don't know Brittany this, right? And you know I have something to say about her. Oh, yes, with you, even when they have a choice to stay dry. That's true. We all need somebody abandoning crime. Who's not going to tell your husband about your shoe obsession or about your Amazon purchases? We all need somebody who is going to love your family as much as you love them. We all need somebody who will vent to you even when they know you are being dramatic, but they listen. We all need somebody who is gonna lend you a shoulder to cry. I found all those in Rosemary. Okay, now let me go back to the first. Thank you so much, guys, for coming. I really appreciate for you. My co-workers, I'm very thankful. You guys, there's some bad days to remember, but you were standing there with me. Thank you so much. First of all, this is a celebration of a birthday, but guess what? It's also a celebration of life. Yeah. People who know me about 8 years ago, I wouldn't have been here standing with you. I made it through all the difficult treatments I went through. This lady behind me would drive it. I've almost got some tickets just to find out how I'm doing. Thank you so much, my friend. All right, to my dear husband. My Lord, Joseph Lwanga, thank you so much for making this happen, to collect everybody to come and celebrate with us. Thank you so much for being there. I really appreciate it. My children, please stand up. Where are my children? Wait, come on here. I'm missing. JJ, where are you? Okay, these are all my children. these boys, sadly I have one girl. But thanks so much for being there. Thanks so much for sacrificing. There's somebody who drove 16 hours, by the way. Thank you so much. So many people I think don't know, but this is also one of my sons, James Boykins, Lwanga. Thank you so much for being there. Okay, I want you so much. Debbie, Mrs. Asaba, Mr. Asaba, thank you so much for your support. And then the beautiful lady, Mrs. Akape, thank you so much for that beautiful cake. I can't wait to eat it. And whoever contributed, please, I really, really appreciate. I'm very thankful for all the work you've put in. And I think, Margaret, I love you so much. My body in crime. But like, having finished, there's some person I want to acknowledge. She's not here. Mama Tina, Carol's mom. Auntie Carol sent my message to Auntie, Mommy. I really appreciate it. She knows what I'm appreciating for. Thank you so much, Cyril. You won't believe he didn't know me by person, but he just heard of my name. Somebody reached out to pray, and he prayed, but he didn't know who he was praying for. So one day I meet him and I'm like, do you know who you are praying for? That's me. He's like, oh my goodness, thank God. So, Okujaguza, thank you so much. From London, please, thank you so much. I appreciate for you getting all that. And then my godson Nathan, thank you so much for being there. If I don't include your name, you're in my heart. Thank you so much, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Kyagenze era mukyala Lwanga tukukoza okutuuka ku myaka enkaaga beddu ate ne celebration of life eyo gye yayogeddeko mu kwogerako sibe bulungi.